So we have a bag of people have criticized the Vybz Kartel concert. Yeah man, you don't know, so the entertainer is on a tour right now. And you have some fun. Well, they cannot be fans if them criticize the artist like that. Yeah man, them say the G sound terrible and him need for retire. Viewers and subscribers, we are going to get right into it. We also have Shelly a speak out again. Such a man, big up on yourself like ours, and remember, leave a subscribe and make we jump right into it.
Yeah, after careful consideration, I've decided I don't even want to spend 20 quid on a Vybz Kartel ticket. Firstly, everyone's live streaming it. Secondly, he sounds absolutely dreadful. I don't care if he's old. I don't care. He sounds absolutely dreadful. I'm going to save my 20 quid, get a little score.
Show sold out. Zane, yet still when the show done, people are complaining the Vybz Kartel for go retire. I will show them go. Listen me, if you don't rate an artist, don't go and show. It's simple, you know. When you don't even have to watch it on the internet. When you find something else though. We saw next show again where people are walk out on Bounty Killer, a Bartlett Center. That look planned. That a planting. Let me notice what I want. When you try to cancel Beanie Man. When you try to cancel Alkaline. And the fans them are do it, you know. When I notice some people are do, them are guys show them. Watch the artists them for do one mistake or when the crowd gets silent and I listen to artists, them video part there and put up. Say artist boring or the artist go retire, it's not good. Because you know rep for one different artist. A bad man you know do or a reggae music and dancehall who no respect and love. A Jamaican no love or a music no love or a bad man no love. Which one no love? Because no confusing you know. The fans them need to cut out them fuck with them. If you don't rate the artist, don't go and show. It's simple. Because if you don't pay no money just to go criticize the artist, we're not going there for brethren. People free for talk, you know, and free for say what they want to say, you know. But it's obvious now, so you're not bad mind the artist them. And I fans them I do it. I ganguli, me tell you like it is. Once me find out you don't real, me and you can par again. Cause when you see me, don't heal me. Cause me no need you no heal. You no keep you no heal. A long time you no want see me feel. Dirty heart and clean clothes don't agree. Them fading slowly. Remember this, you know. Anybody can walk out by any artist. Reggae Songfest, people walk out by artists. Sting, people walk out by artists. More time the traffic, more time people no one get stuck. You understand? A bag of sitting go on a stage shows. When we start video them something and keep up fuckery. A style not try style the artist them. Zane, a Jamaica una try embarrass. A Jamaica artist them represent, you know. Which country artists them, dancehall artists them represent? Not Jamaica. So when not do them fuck with it, it not work. Big up Kartel, big up Alkaline, big up Bounty Killer, big up Beanie Man. Big up every artist you represent for Jamaica. And just them four names there alone. Every artist you represent for Jamaica, we are do the right thing. Big up on yourself.
So just leave on a take in the comments. Let me know what you think about that. I don't know, it come like some styling thing I go on for the Jamaican artists then because I see Vybz Kartel mic even get cut off. Yeah man, the entertainer I perform and the mic stop work. Well, burn off on the mic. But yeah man, it stop work. Just like what happened to Bounty Killer.
So anything in my life, God will take it away. Yeah. I want to me come out and start put out things and do things. I don't feel no way. I remember saying I never trouble. I want to ever fuck with me and my people. Them. I don't know I'm not trouble people. I'm not doing no fuckery. And then me come out and start talk. Shelly is a bad person. And what kind of woman this? Eh? I tell you now. The first man for me, I'm a pitney father. My pitney pa, Ja, I'm a first man. Now my life, I have one of my son them for. I don't know nothing about blood clot me. I paint so much bad picture for me on the media and do so much things. Well, tell me, are you don't even know me? Eh? You don't even know nothing because our people tell you. You use it and you come for the media and misjudge me, but let I tell you something. I get a lot of information to the lot of picture, a lot of stuff. I just watch. I see day, you see anything you see me come back live, nothing not go good. And the days me come back live, everything go plug out. Because I say from producer to artists who can't boss, I say everybody good in a wall. And I know it will bring feeling. It will make all police call me into. Because I go say this, I go do the do. I'm in the police system. I still forefront job, I still in my own place. I'm telling you, my own assets, I know about Uno. I own a lot of assets and give you a lot of assets. I give you a lot of stuff. I own a lot of stuff. I'm not careless girl. You have no blood stain on the palm of my shoulder, I can't tell you no that. I start read squash, which him for a reason. God know everything what him do. So I leave vengeance in a God's hand.
So big up on yourself like always, viewers and subscribers. Remember, leave a like and leave a subscribe if you're new to the channel. See me? Yeah man, as always, catch you in another one.